Hi guys, and welcome by this new video on our exploring channel, exploring through SNL. Check our other videos out before watching this video. Now we are at this abandoned brewery nearby Brussels, the capital of Belgium. Now we are searching for a way in because it looks really huge, and yeah, we don't know what to find. They say it's really hard to get in, it's pretty heavily secured, and they were not lying. There's barbed wire, so we gotta be careful here. So yeah, hope we find a way inside. It's called Brewery Island Boss. So this is the brewery, but here there is some shop. There are a lot of people here, but as you can see, the fence is just knocked down. The man was talking on his phone. He just walked inside this property, so I don't think it matter anyone here. So yeah, we're gonna take a look inside. Right, let's see what we find inside. So if you know a brewery, it's for making beer, but the thing is, I went to one with in high school, and they had these big tons where they produce the beer, and this is probably where these two big tons would have stand, but they're gone. It's pretty amazing. This building has a lot of floors to explore. Okay guys, so we are walking up the stairs now. This place is pretty empty, so these are all empty rooms. What it is? Oh, this is a nice view. Look at this. That's nice. Really nice. It's like a small attic here. Maybe you already noticed it, but we have the... Okay, when she's done with filming, we have the exploring crew.
Hey!
We have the exploring crew. Sweaters from Exploring with Josh. Hey! It's pretty dope. I hope we can explore the buildings on the other side also. But they also look pretty empty. Down to the basement. Oh, that's cool. It's like the biggest scale I've ever seen in my entire life. So the charge minimum for this scale is 50 kilograms and the maximum is 500 kilograms. So it has to be at least 50 kilograms or else it won't go. That's cool to wave a beer. So there is not much in this place anymore, but it has a really cool vibe and it's really huge, so it's a cool place to explore. It's a nice building, the brewery. A lot of graffiti, but nice graffiti, not vandalism graffiti. We have some pretty cool shots now. Ta-da! Alright. So okay guys, let's explore the house a little bit. It's bureau, so it's Dutch for bureau. It's like the office. Man, this place is falling apart. Holy damn. There was a stairway to the upper floors. Yeah. This place is abandoned for a long time, I guess. The front door. Okay. Okay, it's really a nice place. This, oh my god. The ceiling is just stunning. I didn't expect this to be here. The brewery is alright. It's big, so it's fun to explore. But this architecture is amazing. Wow. Nee, nog niet. This ceiling architecture is just stunning also in this room. Really amazing. This was probably something like the kitchen, but it is too much vandalized and everything is falling apart, so it's a little bit tricky and there's a lot of garbage here. So we're gonna explore a little bit further then. Another building. It has a stair, but it's totally collapsing, so not an option. Holy shit, this floor, this place is so dangerous. This is cool. And we keep exploring this place. There is literally where my car is parked, behind this fence with a barbed wire. So some machinery for rolling things down all the way to there.
Wat kan je staan?
Huh? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up for this video, and yeah, so leave a like, subscribe to our channel, you know the deal. Please share our videos, please keep watching our videos, because we put a lot of work in it, and yeah, we want to stay doing this. It's awesome, and yeah, and stay awesome and stay exploring. Peace out.
Peace.